Yeah, this is Kilo 2, Charlie Sierra X-Ray.
Single 4 thank you very much for that come back. Just testing on the whole unit. Thank you again.
Kilo 4 RFP station. Where are you located in Florida?
Correct, yes. Sarasota, Florida, on the Gulf Side coast of Tampa Bay. What's your QTH?
Okay, very good. Name here is Mark, and I'm located in New York City, the county of the Bronx, about a half a mile from Yankee Stadium. Go ahead.
KO4 RFP, yeah, I know that area a little bit. My driver used to take me to Queens to go shopping when I was working over in Woodridge, New Jersey.
Okay, very good, dear. Well, you are making it in. There may be some folks out here willing to give you another contact somewhere in some other place besides New York. So I just wanted to jump in there and say a quick hello there, and this doing a little YouTube video showing the awesome power of D-Star. Okay, I thank you very much for coming back, and we'll talk again near soon. This is K2CSX. Oh. K2CSX off and clear, 73s. As you see, you have user CQ, 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 and it shows you what repeater you're going through. For me, I'm going through Long Island, Westbury, New York, in Nassau County, and that is the NC2EC repeater. You see the C next to the call sign? That's module
Point
C.
2, reflector 30, module C.
You just
NC2.
you just heard it. ID.
NC2EC.
And my radio announces the repeater as well as call signs. Now, this is on the ID 5100. As you see, it has excuse me, it has GPS. But since I'm inside here, for some crazy kooky reason, the GPS is not connecting. KF8UU.
KF8UU.
He just keyed up. So for those tricks.
KF8UU, KF8UU, calling CQ.
KF8UU.
Now the reflectors, there are many of them. There are different types of reflectors that you can connect to.
Anybody around? Kilo Fox 8, uniform.
I'll give this guy a call. KF8UU, KF8UU. Here is K2CSX.
K2CSX, thanks for coming back to me. KF8UU. Name here reflects in the QTH at Oak Park, Michigan, 10 miles north of Detroit. Over.
Okay, fine business there. Name here, as I said, is Mark, and I'm located in Bronx, New York, in the county of the Bronx. I'm about a half a mile northeast of Yankee Stadium, and you coming across nice and clear. Go ahead.
Well, thank you for the nice and clear signal. Well, it's the hot spot. That's why I'm coming in nice and clear. And the rig here is an ID52. How's your weather out there? Over.
We got sunny blue skies, clear blue skies. Temperatures around about was 69. Now it's reading 70. So we gained a degree. I guess it'll go up into the upper 70s, maybe early 80s later. As the day progresses on. But we've been having some nice, cool weather. The humidity has been very low, and but I understand this weekend we might get some more of that humidity in there, and but it's not going to be as bad as it was, and we probably won't even have to run the air conditioning. Go ahead.
Yeah, QSL, the same thing here. We're going to get some humidity next week, and QSL, that's where I hide downstairs in the shack because we're under price controls here from our energy company. Between 3 and 7, they double the rate, double the price of electricity because they're trying to upgrade the system. Over.
Yeah, that's what they do. They do it on the backs of many of their customers to get new, you know, toys to, upgrade their system, their transformers and cabling and whatever else there is. But yeah, I thank you very much for coming back to me there, and I'm going to bow on out of here and go take care of something. And I thank you very much once again from Michigan to New York. This is K2CSX.
Okay, K2CSX 73, and you have a nice rest of your day out there in the Bronx. KFAU, you will be clear.
Very good. K2CSX clear. Now, as you see, once your conversation is pretty much done, what you do, you go here to reflector, okay, and then you go to reflector right here, and you see where these are your options. You got use reflector, link to a reflector, and unlink. And you got the echo test. That's just hello, hello, and you'll hear your voice come back, hello, hello. You go to unlink reflector. You unlink reflector. Here's your microphone. You key your microphone.
Remote system unlinked.
Now I unlink from the reflector. I'm no longer on that reflector. Okay? Now I can go to where it says Westbury. Near repeater. Okay? There it goes. Now, there's my node, my hotspot there. K2CSX. I am in module B. And it shows that 00 because the hotspot is right here on my desk. And these are all of the local near repeaters that is in digital. See what it says? Near repeater DV, digital voice. Now, I want to go back to my node. I link right here. Right now I'm unlinked. So I go...
This is DK6, Perth, Western
It's a VK station, Australia. I go here to link. You see, this is in my preference.
Sounds good here. Pleasant dreams. Whiskey 1, Kilo Victor.
I like
W, 1, K, D.
I key up.
K6, Mike India Lima. Yeah, it's 11 in the evening. Just going to go to bed. Guess it's morning over there. I like this little icon light E52. Got it all programmed up, so looking forward to using it again tomorrow. Cheers for now.
Use reflector.
7-3. W1KD. I'll take care.
Okay. Use reflector. Now I go back here. What I want to do? I want to, let's make sure. Yeah. Use reflector. There we go. CQ, CQ. There you go. So now I'm back on my reflector, on my hotspot. And there's my frequency. There's my, it says hotspot. I'm in module B. And so forth. Now, the cool thing about having an open spot, okay? The coolest thing about having an open spot.
D, K, 2, M.
The coolest thing I said for the third time about having an open spot or a hot spot of any kind, but the open spot 4 and even 3, this allows you to connect your open spot and go into different modes, different operating modes. You are now able to turn this D-Star radio into a fusion radio from the hotspot. You can turn your D-Star radio into a DMR radio. Okay. You could turn this into an NXDN radio. You could turn it into POXAG, which is a paging. The old, remember the pagers from back in the days you used to carry on your belt? Well, amateur guys are now, ham operators are now using POXAG to send messages to different clubs and different bulletins and all of that. So it's POXAG. And then you have NXDN and P25. So you can do a lot with a hotspot and just have one radio. You could be on vacation. Here's a scenario. You can be on vacation in the Rockies in a cabin, or upstate New York in a cabin, or down south in the Carolinas. And you don't got your station set up. You know, you don't have no big equipment like your your 2000 or your 5000 or your 9000 or your ICOM 7800 or 7851. And you can just use this mere little 10-watt radio on a battery is 5 watts. You can use this ICOM 705. Get a screwdriver antenna or a piece of wire, set it up, and inside of your cabin, on your nightstand or a table, you are now able to connect and listen to the world. It's really cool. I said this is all you need. If you're traveling in a camper or any type of mobile and you can't put in, I don't see the point of putting in a big radio like a 7300 or or a big radio like this. I would never do that. This radio right here gives you everything. And yes, I know there's a lot of guys, you catch a lot of flack for this, even 11 meters. You can have it opened up, check your road reports in different parts of the country. Channel 19 is still alive in some places. Your area may vary. And you got D-Star in here with your open spot. You will have DMR. You will have Fusion, C4FM. You will have P25. You have NXDN. You will have it all with that radio. So this is a perfect radio when you go traveling. Your 5100 has it all too. So I hope you like this tutorial of the setup of D-Star and what the functions of the ICOM 5100 does, the 9700, as well as the 705. Anyway, have yourself a good day. Leave a like. I'll try to get to some more amateur radio tech talk. Subscribe. Whenever I have put up a new video, you will see. 73s, K2CSX.